Yes, that's the ribbit. I know, Mr. Fingers. That's the air conditioner. That's where Isaac Hilton used. Ah, what a great day. The Alphabet Shed show. What I heard. That's weird. Right, Mr. Fingers? Whack. Yeah, come on. Right, Zeppus? Yeah. What about you, Mr. Fingers? I think he said that will be good. What do you think, Furry and Robert? That's good too. Listen, it's the magic windmill. Let's go. Okay, we're here. We're here. Let's listen to the elephant noise. It's the animal parade. Let's go. Wow. Wow, we. Wow, what a great day. Ah, I love that magical event. Yeah, me too. Let's wait for the windmill to come. Ah, hey, let's go have some fun. Yeah, let's go.